So welcome back to another video. This is a continuation to part 3. If you haven't checked that out, you can go over to part 3 and take a look at it. So what we're going to do here is now we're going to add an option called variation bulk option. So what does this do is actually, for example, if your pen drive not only have different sizes 16, 32, 64 and 128, and also you have different colors, this is where you will actually have to use this option. So let's proceed to the bottom and take a look at it. First of all, you have to come over to the attribute side over here, click on it, then you have to select color. So in this case I have different sizes and different sizes having different color as well. So I'll click on color and then I have to key in the colors, black, blue, and red. If it doesn't appear, you can actually type it in yourself. Then after that, you will go over to the variation part and click on this arrow. Okay, so then this will appear. What will happen now is now you not only have the size and also a color next to it. You get to have this option over here, the variation bulk option. What you need to do is you have to click this create variation from all attributes. So when you clicked on it, previously you only see the size, now it will actually appear having the color and the size. So now when we go into it, what you have to do next is to customize it according to the description. For example, this is black color, so you want to put black color pictures on this. Then after that you want to go to blue color and put blue color on it, then red color, and you do the same for the red color. Then you have to repeat it for all the other sizes as well. So another thing that you actually have to change is the price over here. You have to price it according to the size. So if you want to make it easier, actually you can click over here and click on regular price. What will happen is you can key in, for example, if let's say you only have one single size 16 GB, so that will be priced around probably 20. Then we just click on it and everything will appear as 20. But if you have different size and different pricing for it, you actually have to change it manually. So for example, now the 32 is slightly more expensive, so we're around 35, and you have to change it for all of it as well. So after that, remember to click on submit, and if you want to do a preview, you can click on preview. And so now you have color and different size. Okay, that's all. I'll see you in the next video.